Now, let's talk about some active research that has been happening in the field of computer vision over the past decade. Researchers at Facebook are working on detecting objects in images. Detecting objects correctly and efficiently in images is an extremely important field in computer vision. This is because to make meaningful inferences in images and video streams, computers need to correctly detect objects in them as a first step. With the recent rise in popularity of self-driving cars, detecting objects in video streams has become important, since videos from camera feeds of those cars need to be analyzed for the car to avoid obstacles and prevent collisions. How cool is it to convert an image of a horse to a zebra, and vice versa, or to change the scene of an image from summer to winter? Image-to-image translation is about this. The UC Berkeley research team is working on converting an image from one representation of a scene to another. Everybody Dance Now is a project that uses computer vision techniques for performing motion transfer from one subject to another. Given we have a video of a person performing dance moves, the person's dance moves can then be transferred to an amateur target.
Hold on to me close. If I tear my heart out, I still feel pain. Whatever I do still feels the same. Act like it's nothing, but tell me now, what were we thinking of? Everything that we had, well, it's gone to waste. If I stand in the sunshine, all I see is rain. So I tear my heart out.
Get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
Could you believe I could be different? I'll be a difference. I'll lift you high, and I understand your hesitation, my reputation. It's no surprise. So let me redefine you, and you can see the tide move, just like tears in the eyes do. And when you're feeling oh baby, I'll be right here between the sea and silence. So breathe easy, my dear. You can find sunshine in the rain. I will come running when you call my name.
Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like.